How to request a taxi or private hire via Freenow. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to request a taxi or private hire ride using the Freenow app, open up the application first on your device. And then once you open it up, you will be finding this particular interface, log in into your account. Now what you need to do is input the desired location, look out for where are you going section and tap on it. After that, you can just go ahead and provide any location. You can even choose it on map or everything. After that is done, here you will be finding the map and everything, and you can select either taxi or ride, which is a private hire. You can just go ahead and do so based on your own preference. Double check that the pickup and destination addresses are correct. After that, even if you need to schedule a taxi or ride in advance, you can choose the pre-book option and select your desired date and time. After that is done, you can look out for request to order now option, and then just go ahead and do so. Once matched with the driver, you can track the arrival time within the map and ensure the vehicle's details match the information provided in the app before you start your journey, and you can complete your payment securely through the application. And that's it. So, therefore, if you'd like to request a taxi or private hire, you may head over and follow up the steps. So, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.